Let me quickly make a video about how I earn every time, every day on this platform. Here's how it goes. You click on let TRON wallet, sorry. After clicking, you put in your password. Now for me, I've set up a passcode for my wallet. The same wallet is as the same thing as having Trust Wallet, the Womba wallet, and many other wallets that we have out there. So let's wait. So this is my password. You've heard of for search, you heard of Rapido, you heard of smart million money smart contract. This has been here for over a year. The first time the smart contract was launched was April 2019, and a lot of people didn't know much about it. And see the price of the token, TRON token here. The minimum you can invest is just 10 of it, which is around 0.1 cents. So it's not much. It can be very much for any country. So let's go to the browser, my DApp browser. Mine is here. Sorry. Yeah, I clicked it. You can see the left corner of your screen, the word logo. It's representing browser. Click. Come. You go down to the description. You'll see the web link there. Post it. This is a smart contract. But before further, I'll quickly say, guys, please subscribe to my channels. I have a lot of 3 consecutive videos that's coming out that will very, very, very make you to make thousands of dollars free of charge. I mean free of charge. So if you don't subscribe to the oncoming videos, you'll miss out. You can see, because I don't need to do anything on this website, automatically my wallet will be synchronized with the TRON wallet. It has captured my wallet, it has captured my 15 TRON. So what will I do? Let me show you my balance down there before I go and subscribe to the plan. This website has been here for over 1 year. Little people know about it. See, forever, you earn 3.7% forever, as long as the website is working. 4.7% in 42 days, which will give you 211%. 5.7% in 25 days, give you 42% of your profit. Here 42%, here is 6.7% daily. In 18 days you get 126. I've invested, you see, I want you to check this place. You see it keep increasing on daily basis. I can withdraw it at any time because you don't have minimum withdrawal limits. You can withdraw anything that you have here. Only you prepare to pay a small fee, right? Okay. This is all the capital I have here. 107 Ethereum. Plan to invest more on this particular wallet. I have my official one. So to invest now, from the 15 that I have here, I want to invest 11. Come here, put in 11, click invest. I confirm, put in my code. Voila, I'm going to wait. It's processing. Okay, thank you. Take me back here. Here, 11 has been added. This is my total investment now, from 107 to 118. Alright, so What next? Now just wait to see this place keep growing up. Don't forget subscribe for the next coming videos on how to get 1,000 worth of money. So we have the plan. We have the ByTorrents wallet here that's already launched at the same website. You can trade. Just do your normal smart contract, invest and cash out on daily basis depending on the amount you are putting into the system. So this is what I want to show you. My trust wallet. The next video will be about this. How to have this much trust wallet token. See, I paid this one. So then my next video will be about earning more of this. So don't forget subscribe. Don't forget I have my main wallet here. This is my main wallet. So I'll show you how to get more. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for receiving, for watching my videos. So I will upload this behind immediately after the next one. Thank you. God bless.